Welcome to the Rainbow Upholstery Custom Makeover. Take this colonial love seat a customer brought to Tom. First, we start by stripping the love seat nail by nail. We strip it down to the very bare frame. Now, we only work with furniture that is 15 years old or older unless you paid a lot of money for it. This is due to the heavy wear upholstery has that only solid wood can handle. When we start building up our love seats, we tie the strings knot by knot. This is the quality of hand-upholstered furniture. Modern furniture purchased from factory outlets or stores cannot compare. Due to the popularity of colonial furniture in the DC area, it has become a modern trend to purchase furniture from a thrift shop or a secondhand store and bring it in and get the Rainbow Upholstery Custom Makeover. Visit us at rainbowupholstery.com and find out why we're Washingtonia Magazine's top-rated upholsterer.